We divide 407 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 20 mean 40. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 7 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So now it is 10 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 407 divided by 2 is 203 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.